Okay, so let me quickly show you how to use these bags in sealing your food. For this demonstration, I will be vacuum sealing 4 different kinds of food. I'll be vacuum sealing bell peppers, yam, cheese, and also fish. I'm going to be using the easy cut bags, so both ends are open, so I'll cut and I'll seal one end to make like a sack before I put in the food. Make sure you close the Foodsaver properly and let it latch before you use. So now I'm just placing my yam into the bags and we'll seal them. Ideally, when I buy my yam and I cut it and put in a Ziploc bag and put in the freezer, that is how it looks. It has freezer bends and also it has discoloration. But with these vacuum seal bags, my yam is going to be fresh, just like how I peel it from day one. And when I cook it, the texture and the flavor is still going to be the same. No discoloration and no freezer burn. Now I'm just going to vacuum seal some cheese for you to see, and I'm using the easy close bag type, so the other side is already closed. So I'm just putting my cheese and I label and I'll vacuum seal it. So I press the vacuum to take off the air, and automatically the machine switch to sealing as well. So it switches to sealing, and that green light blinking, once it stops blinking and all the lights goes off, it means it has finished sealing. So I will just open, and this is how it looks like. Now moving on to my bell peppers, I'm just going to press the vacuum as well, and it takes out all the air and seals it nicely. Last but not the least, I'm going to be vacuum sealing my salmon. I've already seasoned it nicely, so I'm just going to vacuum seal it, take out the air first, and I'm going to switch the mode to moist. That way it's going to take out the moisture out first before it vacuum and seals it nicely. The good thing about out of air vacuum bags are they are hot water safe, they are microwave safe, freezer and refrigerator safe. So you have so many options and how you can store your food and how you can use it. And for a limited time, use the code in the description box below to get a 10% discount when you order.